you can see, in group 1 and group 2 has the same chemical reaction between metal with oxygen. Metal from group 1 and 2 will produce metal oxide and white fume when react with oxygen. We analogy this reaction by the reaction of the burning of firewood. When firewood is burned, the flame represents as the oxygen, while the firewood is the metal. The firewood will turn into ash, which represent the metal oxide.
We now stream live at the Unimas for the sport event. Today we'll have a sport event for the carry the weight event. So let's proceed to the contestant. On the first lane we have lithium. On the second lane we have sodium. On the third lane we have potassium. Potassium. Let's start the event. And the winner is potassium. Thank you for watching.
Next, this reaction includes 3 persons, which is a girl, guy A and guy B. The girl as hydroxide ion, guy A as hydrogen ion, and guy B as metal. Our analogy is, this girl and guy A went to the minimart to buy some water. As they went to the counter to pay, it seems like guy A don't have enough money to pay for the drinks. Then, out of the blue came guy B, who is willing to pay for her drink. As he is super rich, he can buy her a bag full of fruits. The girl was attracted by his kindness and his money. Therefore, she left guy A immediately. So, they live happily ever after.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I am feeling so small.
This analogy can be shown by this equation. To be specific, as going down the group, the reactivity increases as the size increases. Therefore, in our analogy, we use 1 Panadol soluble as lithium, 2 for sodium, and 3 for potassium. Enjoy the show! As you can see, more Panadol produce more hissing sound, except for lithium. Reactivity in group 2 with acid increases down the group as the size increases also. This can be proven by our analogy, which is number of Mentos as the size of element in group 2 and Coca-Cola as the acid. Do enjoy the show! For the reaction in group 2 with water, in our analogy, we use study session as the cold water, gaming session as steam, and sleeping session as no reaction. Beryllium has no reaction with water or steam, even at high temperature, due to a strong resistant layer of oxide on its surface. Beryllium is like a baby. The baby sleeps all day long and does nothing. Magnesium reacts rapidly with steam to form magnesium oxide, but it has no reaction with cold water. Magnesium is like a kindergarten kid who likes to play games and does not complete her homework. The three other metals in group 2 react with cold water with increasing vigorously down the group 2 to form hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Calcium is a primary school kid who studies but play games at the same time. Strontium is a secondary school kid who studies harder than before but also spends time on playing games more than calcium. Barium is a university student who studies the hardest among the three elements but play game more often than both of them as she is always stressed of her studies. As going down the group 1 and group 2, the reactivity increases. For these chemical properties, we analogy nucleus as shepherd, electrons as sheeps in one element and fox as other element or compound. The shepherd holds the sheep by using ropes, which represent the forces of attraction between nucleus and electrons. Firstly, the fox was sneaking and slowly approaching the sheep. He was aiming for the sheep that was far from the shepherd. Suddenly, he ran towards the sheep. He caught the sheep and ran away with it. The end.